And welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Rebtel subscription on iPhone. Now, the first thing you need to do is if you subscribe to Rebtel's auto renewing plan and you want to cancel it, the first thing to do is that we have more than one method. The first method is to cancel via iPhone settings using the Apple App Store. Since Rebtel subscriptions are managed through Apple's App Store, you must cancel it in your iPhone settings. So what do? Go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, that is your name and profile picture, and select subscriptions. Look for Rebtel in your active subscriptions. Tap cancel subscription or turn off auto renewal. Confirm when you are prompted. It's done. Subscription will not renew after the current billing period. Second method is to cancel via Rebtel website if it's needed. If you cannot find Rebtel in your iPhone subscription, you can visit Rebtel official website, that is rebtel.com, and log into your account. Go to account, tap on subscriptions. When you tap on subscriptions, you will see the option for cancel. Tap on cancel. Note, some users report that cancellation must be done through Apple's App Store for iOS purchases. Now, what happens after cancellation? You keep access until the current billing cycle ends. No further charges will apply, and you can still use Rebtel with pay as you go credits. Here are some important things for you to note. When it comes to refunds, Apple rarely gives refunds for subscriptions, but you can contact Apple support if it's needed. If you are still being charged after cancellation, you are still being billed, you can dispute it via Apple Report a Problem section. Hope you found this video helpful.